I, Nancy Makoha Baraza.
Suspended Deputy Chief Justice Nancy Baraza now secures further reprieve in her legal battle to save her job. The Director of Public Prosecution Keriako Tobiko deciding to defer the decision to commence criminal proceedings against her as recommended by the police. In a statement to Newsroom, the DPP said that while he remained cognizant of the two major processes as relates to Nancy Baraza, that is the tribunal and the pending petition in court seeking to bar the same tribunal from conducting investigations into her conduct, the two were also interrelated and may depend on the same witnesses and evidence. Tobiko said in part, quote, "In order to ensure that Baraza's right to fair treatment and due process under the Constitution and our laws is not violated, and so that she is not subjected to multiple concurrent legal processes, I have decided to put on hold the decision whether or not to prosecute her to await the determination of the challenge before the High Court and of the Tribunal if the court allows it to proceed." End quote. This even as Chief Justice Dr. Willy Mutunga constituted a three-judge bench of the High Court comprising Justice Mohamed Warsame, Ladies Justice Helen Omondi, and Justice George Odunga. The bench was set up to hear a petition in which Nancy Baraza, through her lawyer Dr. John Haminwa, challenged the composition of the tribunal, saying its members, save for the former Tanzanian CJ, Agostino Ramadan, were not legally eligible to investigate the Deputy Chief Justice. Haminwa said the composition of the members of the tribunal was illegal because apart from Ramadan, the rest were inferior to the DCJ.
I have, with immediate effect,
President Mwai Kibaki suspended Baraza on Wednesday last week and formed a tribunal to investigate her conduct. And a week later,
I, Agostino Stephen Lawrence Ramadhani,
having been appointed member of the tribunal to investigate
the conduct of Deputy Chief Justice
Nancy Makoha Baraza.
The seven-member tribunal led by former Tanzanian Chief Justice Agostino Stephen Ramadan was sworn in at the Chief Justice's offices in Nairobi. The tribunal has, however, had what is regarded as a false start, as its members have so far been barred from summoning the Deputy Chief Justice, whom the case is primarily built upon. Baraza is accused of pinching a security guard, Nancy Keribo's nose, and threatening to shoot her. So, the tribunal has been sworn in. On the other hand, a three-judge bench has been constituted, one dependent on the other, to continue its working. Either way, Kenyans have to wait 45 days before they know the fate of Lady Justice Nancy Baraza. Willis Raburu, Citizen Live at 9, Nairobi.